Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salat the easy way 3-minute series lesson number 29b, in which we will take a review of previous lessons. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 86 words which occur almost 29,400 times in the Quran. Make sure to use TPI when you practice grammar. We have learned 4 important styles of fi'l, and they are fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. Their differences will be evident when we learn fi'l mudari'. Right now you see only one change, that is instead of sama'a it is sami'a in the 4th one. So let us practice fi'l madi forms of these 4 verbs. They are very important because lot of verbs will follow one of these patterns. Okay, can you translate? Fataha,
he opened.
Fatahu,
They opened.
Fatahta,
You opened.
Fatahtu,
I opened.
Fatahtum,
We all opened.
Fatahna,
We opened.
Now can you answer me with yes? Hal fataha?
نعم فتحها.
هل فتحوا؟
نعم فتحوا.
هل فتحت؟
نعم فتحت.
هل فتحتم؟
نعم فتحنا.
Let's take the second verb, nasara. Nasara means he helped. Start. Nasara,
He helped.
nasaru,
They helped.
nasarta,
You helped.
nasartu,
I helped.
nasartum,
You all helped.
nasarna.
We helped.
Let's take dialogues and answer with yes. هل nasara?
نعم نصر.
هل نصروا؟
نعم نصروا.
هل نصرت؟
نعم نصرت.
هل نصرتم؟
نعم نصرنا.
Let us take another style which is daraba. Daraba means he hit. Can you translate? Daraba,
He hit.
darabu,
They hit.
darabta,
You hit.
darabtu,
I hit.
darabtum,
You
we
all
all hit, darabna,
We
hit. Now let's take another verb, sami'a. Sami'a means he listened. Okay, translate. Sami'a,
He listened.
سمعوا,
They listened.
سمعت,
You listened.
سمعت,
I listened.
سمعتم,
You all listened.
سمعنا,
We listened.
Let's take dialogues and let's say everyone has heard the Quran. So I will say ماذا سمع? What did he hear? And in answer you will say سمع القرآن. He heard the Quran. Okay. So can you answer me? ماذا سمع؟
سمع القرآن.
ماذا سمعوا؟
سمعوا القرآن.
ماذا سمعت؟
سمعت القرآن.
ماذا سمعتم؟
سمعنا القرآن.
That's it for now. جزاكم الله خير. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.